Are you facing the frustrating issue of Windows Update getting stuck on restarting? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem and get your Windows Update back on track. Let's get started. Step 1. End failed programs. Process. To begin, press the Ctrl Alt Delete keys simultaneously to launch the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, end the process of all running programs and restart your PC. This will help resolve any conflicts that might be causing the Windows Update to get stuck on restarting. After ending the process of running programs, check if the issue is fixed. Step 2. Disable Fast Startup. If the first step didn't solve the problem, try disabling Fast Startup. To do this, press the Windows +R keys simultaneously, enter powercfg.cpl, and click OK. In the Power Options window, click on Choose what the power button do. Next, select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the Turn on Fast Startup, recommended, option and click Save Changes. Finally, restart your PC to see if this takes effect and resolves the Windows Update issue. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Windows Update getting stuck on restarting. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.